and it always reminds me, about the lesson that I should not forget, that one that I learned. I realized that customer retention, is the most important strategy that you guys can adopt. Why you will have problems in achieving your target every month, every year? The only reason for that is that you're losing customers. And believe you me, you don't even know. You don't even know how many customers you are losing. And I will tell you today how many customers you could be losing. So I started this subject and I kept on experimenting with it, and I kind of developed what I called customer math. It's very simple mathematics. Today, we will also find out if the degrees that you have presented to the HR department are real or you have obtained by giving chola bhaturas to the guy. That I think Dr. Ashok will get to know who all will pass that exam that I'm going to give. Very simple math, guys, and hope you learn something from it. All right. First question. Before I go start my mathematics, let me tell you why I'm here or what I want to achieve with you guys. Customer service, customer satisfaction, customer retention is the most talked about subject in the world. You guys agree with me? You must have heard every day somebody or the other is telling you customer satisfaction is very important. Am I right? Or you as branch heads must be telling your guys every day that customer satisfaction is very, very important. Am I right? I can't hear you guys. Am I right? Yes. There you go. But how many of us believe in it? That is the question. How many of us truly believe in it? That is the question. Rajendra, you own a car, a bike? What? What make? Maruti. All right. Do you ever think, you are going home and say, today, I just feel like going and banging the car in the wall? It's not a trick question. I'm serious. When you're going home one day in the evening, do you ever think that, let me take the car and bang it into the wall? No. Why not? Sorry, I picked you, but there is no trick question. There's no hassle. Just play along with me. No, you don't do that. Can you tell me why? Obviously you must be having a reason why you don't bang your car in the wall. Anybody else who can help, Rajendra? Yeah. We love the car. We don't love ourselves. Man, come on. Spoken like a true financial guy. I think we need to applaud that. The guy is focused, finance. Right? George, you love him, no? So he says we know, indirectly what his meaning is, that if I bang my car in the wall, right, I will suffer financial loss, right? If I break a few bones here and there, doesn't matter, but financial loss should not be there. Apart from that, we also believe that if we bang a car in the wall, we'll get hurt, right? And that is also not good. But tell me one thing, every one of us hears about customer satisfaction every day, day in and day out. There are thousands of books, written articles. You have guys like me, all over the world speaking on the subject, right? Rajendran, did your mom and dad ever tell you that, beta, gaadi le liya hai, isko don't bang it in the wall? No. There was no lecture, there was no books or anything that you read. But you still don't bang your car against the wall. And the reason for that is what? Because he sincerely believes. The key word is believes. That banging the car against the wall is going to be not good for him. He will suffer financial as well as physical harm. Now let's look at the other thing. Every one of us has heard about customer satisfaction, yet you guys have called me again to hear about it. Right? Thousands of books written, I don't know. I mean, most talked about topic. How many of you have done MBAs here? Okay? You guys must have read about it. I had read about it. You know, now I need to tell you what my qualifications are to let you know how stupid I was. I have a CPA. I've done hotel management. I have an MBA in marketing and finance. Okay, I write books, right? And even in spite of that, I went and chapered the customer. In spite of that, I chapered the customer. Why? In spite of knowing about customer satisfaction, we still go, all of you, believe you me, and you can raise your hand if you don't agree with me, that you must have chapered the customer at least once in your life. Am I right? You know, whenever I do these things, I ask, in different languages, what do you call? In Malayalam, what do you call chepna? You know, when you screw up the customer, what do you call that in Malayalam? Araka. Yeah. See? So, in spite of all this, why do we don't take care of the customer? If we believe, if we have heard about it, right? We talk about it, we tell other people customer satisfaction is important, and yet we go and screw the customer, pardon my French, and why do we do that? Let me give you a recent story that happened with me, and you'll be surprised what companies of repute do that. I took a loan against property from Standard Chartered Bank, right? Now, Standard Chartered Bank is a very reputed bank all over the world, right? You see their ads, and they talk about ethics, and they talk about, customers and, their responsibility to the society. I don't know what kind of money they spend on advertisement, right? They gave me a loan under SME. I'm a small, medium enterprise, okay? I took the loan in December of 2010. No annual fee, nothing. Everything was clear. I get my statement in April, and guess what? They have charged me 34,000 rupees as annual fee. I again looked at my, they give you a sheet, a term sheet, looked at that, no annual fee, nothing. So I sent them I called up the guy who arranged all this for me, their company representative, So I called him. He says, go read line so-and-so in the contract. It says, and I tell you, I don't know how they could, whoever dreamt of that must be the most stupid guy I've come across in the world. In the contract it was written that we can change the terms of the contract at any time. I just couldn't believe it. Are we living in a banana country, or they've got lawyers who are smarter than, I don't know. So I told them, why did you have the contract in the first place itself? And why are you charging me 34,000 rupees? Just take my property away in one go, and, we'll be done with it. Instead of me suffering every day, I'll suffer it once. So what we guys do, we smart guys in the field, and how we, guys who we all know about customer satisfaction, we talk about customer satisfaction. We used to do that when I used to work for Escorts and Mahindras. So the first thing they say, okay, you know what we will do? So I said, no, you take the money. I want to close my account, and I will take you to court. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to rip you apart on this clause so that whoever you have charged before, you will have to You have to pay back to them also. So they came back.